Hello, welcome to part 2 of American hand piecing. Right now I'm going to show you how to do partial piecing and also how to deal with one-way pieces. I've cut out all of the pieces to make the block. Now, the one shape that there is this half rectangle triangle and a square for the center. Those are the only two templates that you're going to be needing. The next thing I'm going to be moving on to is the variable star block of the sampler. And I have all of the pieces here ready to set out. First of all, I have 3 templates that I'm going to be using for the variable star. I have the one for the star points. I have a big triangle here in the corner, and I have this little triangle here. This triangle is the same as the white triangle, and this one here